What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods. So today we're gonna do what I said was really hard to do. But what do I mean by that? A couple weeks ago we made a video that said these are your 4 best hardscapes for your aquarium. One of the hardscapes on the list was Dragonstone, and then I kind of went on a rant about how Dragonstone is really hard to work with. That video about the 4 best hardscapes for your aquarium, if you haven't seen that yet, definitely check that out. Just tap the eye right up here. So I wanted to prove myself wrong. I got Ryan here. We got all the Dragonstone that we had. We put it together and we just started placing rocks. Before we get started, I'd just like to remind everybody to please like and comment on this video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us know that you want us to keep making content for you, and we're having a lot of fun doing it, so please subscribe so you can see more. Usually before we go into an aquascape, we sit down, we plan it out, we get a general idea of what we want to do. But with this one, we just kind of, we're like, we're gonna wing it. We got all the Dragonstone that we had. We got this cube tank that we got from one of our buddies, and we just started placing rocks in there. And it started to form, and it was looking really cool, and then it wasn't looking so cool, and then it was back to looking cool again. And you know, I have said that Dragonstone is very hard to scape with, and I think that we finally made it work. And I like the way that we have the negative space in the front and the heavy rock work in the back. We think that the negative space in front of the rock work will make it so that whatever livestock we put in there will be able to kind of have like just an open place to swim around, and we'll get a better look at them compared to our normal aquascapes that are full of plants all over the place, or just a bunch of rock work where they have tons of places to hide. The livestock will really only be able to hide in the back of the aquarium, but the front of the aquarium will be completely open. So that negative space is really gonna create a dimension for our livestock that it'll make it really fun to watch the tank. For the plants in this tank, we didn't go to the store, we didn't buy anything. All we did was a trim on the budget aquascape, which we made a video on a couple weeks ago as well. If you haven't seen that yet, definitely check that out here. If you're looking to aquascape and you're on a budget, it's a really good tutorial on how to do that. But all we did was a trim on those rotalas, and we transferred them over into the back corner. There was some negative space there. We filled it in with the rotalas, and we think once it grows in, it's gonna look really great. For this aquascape, we use just a natural looking inert sand. There's no aqua soil in it. It will have pressurized CO2. It will have a really good canister filter, and I will be dosing ferts. And we're going to try a different fertilizer schedule, a different fertilizer brand, and I'm gonna have more on that in a future video. We wanna make sure that it works really well before we, tell you guys about it. This tank is definitely going to be a mixture of really simple and really complex, because the hardscape is not that hard to put together, but the general look of it is somewhat complex. The negative space in the front leaves a lot to be desired, but still, we think that the livestock is going to look fantastic in it. When they swim through it, there's nothing blocking them. We'll actually get to enjoy our fish for a change. Usually when we get fish, they hide in our plants, and it's cool to watch them interact with a more natural environment. But I mean, I think we can all agree, it's also fun to watch the fish that you purchased and put into your fish tank. When you give them places to hide, it makes it hard to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this very different but very awesome Dragonstone aquascape. If you'd like to see more just like this, please don't forget to like and comment on this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future content just like this. Once again, my name's Eric. Have a good day.